Google's Veo3 just changed the game.
This AI video generator delivers jaw-dropping visuals
pro-level lighting, smooth camera movements, and dialogues
that actually sound real.
Compared to tools like Kling, Luma, and Runway ML, Google's Veo3 is on a whole new level.
In this video, I will show you how to create realistic videos like these, completely free.
I will also show you a trick to get 15 months of Google AI Pro for free. So let's get started.
To create videos using Veo3, you will first need to connect to a US VPN server if you are located outside the US. Once your VPN is active, open your browser and search for Google One. Click the first result to visit the official Google One homepage. Click on the Google AI tab, where you will find an exclusive offer to try Google AI Pro for 1 month without any charge. But first, you get 2 options to choose from. Google AI Pro gives you access to Gemini app, Flow, and Whisk, plus 1,000 AI credits for video generation. But the second option is even better. Google AI Ultra offers 12,500 AI credits along with all the features of the Pro plan. To claim your free offer, click on the Get Offer button and sign up with a fresh email to land on this page. Here's the best part. Google is offering university students Google AI Pro for free for 15 months, but only in select countries. That's why we connected to a US VPN. Here's how to claim it. Click the Check Your Eligibility button. If you are logged in with a new email, you will see the Verify Student Status button. Click on it. Enter your educational email address to verify your eligibility for the student discount. Now, here's the trick. If you don't have an Edu email, you can use one of those temporary Edu email generators to confirm eligibility. After you verify your OTP, you will be eligible to claim the student discount offer. Just add a payment method. You won't be charged, but make sure to cancel it before the 15-month trial expires. Then click Subscribe to activate your 15-month Google AI Pro. Now, click on Go to Gemini Pro button, and this interface will open with an option to generate videos with Veo3. To create a video, we will need a prompt. You may generate one through ChatGPT, but I will enter this prompt into the input box and hit the Send button. In a couple of minutes, the video will be ready, and here is the result.
This AI video generator delivers jaw-dropping visuals
pro-level lighting, smooth camera movements, and dialogues
that actually sound real.
Look just how impressive the video is. The subtle facial expressions and the perfect lip sync. This feels almost too real. I would love to hear what you think. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. And don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.